Insert the bolts into the long frame. Align the base frame over the top of the long frame. Make sure to tighten the bolts and nuts. Next, we can start fitting the weight plate holder. Place the base of the bench on top of the long frame. Set up the front foot of the bench. It's time for assembling the footrest holder. Attach the footrest rubber grip by the same way shown in this video. And here is the fully assembled Olympic adjustable bench press. You can order this in our website macindustries.in and other sites like Amazon.